I'm gonna have to do this really quick because I have to head out to a meeting, so I'm going to attempt to straighten my hair before then, and hopefully it's not an epic fail. And yeah, because sometimes it's like a hit or miss for me. Sometimes my hair straightens and it looks amazing, then other times it's just like, I think the key for straightening your hair is super hydration. So the first thing that I did was condition my hair with Hello Hydration. So I'm co-washing my hair. And I'm gonna leave it in for, so far it's been like 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for 2 more minutes and wash this out. Apply some aloe vera gel, and that's gonna close my hair cuticles. What's the expiration date? Okay, we're good. Okay, so that part is super important because, like I said, it closes the hair cuticle, and because it does that, it smooths everything out. So it just creates a nicer finish. Extra virgin olive oil, and the molecules in olive oil are small enough to penetrate the hair shaft, so that's why I like to use that as a moisturizer even though it's an oil. So all I'm doing right here is combing out my hair and detangling it, and then I'm just going to start blow drying it straight. This is a very important step because this is what's going to determine how straight your ends are. So I would suggest just try to blow dry it as straight as physically possible, and then you could start flat ironing your hair. I like to use a brush when I'm flat ironing over a comb because it just straightens the hair out a lot more while you're passing the iron through your hair strands. Okay, so let me just explain in detail how I'm doing this. I'm taking my hair growth oil, which has a lot of moisturizing oils as well in this. So I'm taking that and I'm putting it directly on my hair strands. So remember the first one was olive oil, so now it's my hair growth oil. Put just a tad bit because you don't want it to be weighed down or stiff. So I have like, you can't really see it, but I don't have much in my fingertips. And then I just kind of quickly pass it through. I'm especially concentrating on my ends because those are usually like the bushy parts. Then I'm gonna bump it. So pass it once and then bump the second one. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the same oil onto my scalp. And this is the oil that grew back my entire hairline. So I always use this oil, obviously not for alopecia anymore, but definitely for hair growth because it sped up my hair growth rate. I'm only making 3,600 units and there's over currently 19,500 plus people interested in purchasing the oil. You know, just make sure you're a part of that list if you're interested. So whether you're suffering from alopecia, receding hairlines, baldness, thinning edges, slow hair growth, definitely for sure gonna help you. So in a nutshell, just to let you know if you guys don't know already, this oil is made up of mostly Ayurvedic herbs and healing oils. Definitely if you are interested, I left a link in the description box for you to sign up. International shipping will be available, so just select any US state. The state doesn't matter. What matters is your email because that's what I need. So once it's launched, I could be able to email you. I'm sorry guys for having a lack of energy. You know, I'm just not really feeling too well right now, so yeah, hopefully in my next video I have more energy, but sometimes you just get burnt out. I just been so busy lately, and you know, I just haven't been getting a lot of sleep. I haven't been eating right, so it's just not really cool. Like yesterday I just drank coffee all day long, then I crashed really bad. So definitely a lot of work. I've been working on this for 6 months now, but I have a great team behind me, so I know this product is going to put a serious dent in this hair care industry. Anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions about this technique. This is one of my best techniques that I've been using to straighten my hair because my ends are completely straight, and more importantly, my hair is healthy and protected. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out this video. This right here used to be a straight wig. I turned it into this heatless curl pattern. All I used was straws. That's all I've used, and I love the versatility. So definitely don't forget to check out this video. Super fun, super easy, and again, it is heatless. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.